Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate data mining with RapidMiner, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open RapidMiner and create a new process. Import your dataset by clicking on the Import Data option. Choose the appropriate data source, whether it's a CSV file, Excel spreadsheet, or database. Navigate to the location of your dataset and select it. Once the data is loaded, review the data preview to ensure it's correctly imported. Next, use the data preparation tools to clean and pre-process your dataset. Handle missing values by using options like imputation or removal. Select relevant features to work with, reducing the complexity of your dataset. Now, navigate to the Operators panel and search for data mining algorithms. Drag and drop your chosen algorithm into the process canvas. Connect the output of your data preparation step to the input of the algorithm you selected. Configure the algorithm parameters to fine-tune its performance according to your needs. To automate your process, use the loop operator for repetitive tasks, such as parameter tuning. Set the conditions for the loop, specifying how many iterations to run. After setting up the loop, connect it to the main process to ensure a smooth flow. To visualize your results, add output operators like result or chart. Run the process by clicking the Run button. Monitor the progress in the results section, analyzing how well your model performs. Once the process completes, review the outputs for insights and patterns. Finally, save your project and generated models for future use or further analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.